still wasting hours setting up your estimating systems or quoting jobs manually? There's a smarter way. Our Wunderbuild estimating template is built for speed and accuracy. No setup, no headaches, and ready to use instantly. It's designed for builders quoting renovations, new builds, and architectural projects. Our template comes preloaded with hundreds of items and detailed recipes. This allows you and your team to complete every estimate with the right materials, labor, and costs. Let's take a look. So here we are in the estimating tab within Wunderbuild, and all you need to do to get access to our templates is create a new estimate like you normally would. I'm just going to call this a demo job. Select this and the client, and then here we are showing up as the Campbell's estimating builders template, and we're going to allow to copy over everything and create. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring across all of our prices, all of our recipes, and all of the calculators we've built in that template for you to use. So I'm just going to jump into the costings tab here. And what you'll see is all of the products in here and the categories that we've already pre-created for you. So this goes from like preliminaries, going down, we've got swimming pool costs, landscaping, we've got, slab works, we've got structural steel framing, we've got decking, we've got, roofing, metal cladding, electrical works, air conditioning, plumbing, bathroom fit-offs, insulation, we've got windows and doors in here, we've got timber doors, we have brickwork, window hoods and awnings, cladding and eaves is a big one, we've got garage doors, wall and ceiling linings, cabinet maker costs, and this is just jumping through obviously a few of them within it. But this allows you to do a job from start to finish without having to think about costs or products that need to be added or used within your job. It's designed as a tick or flick list, so I need this item or I don't. So what I've done in the background is I've uploaded some plans into Wunderbuild, and this is to show you the features of our template and how it works. And what you can see in here is we've pre-built all of the headings already in here so that we can add items and products and link them back and forth. Some of the things we've already set up in here is total weeks of build. And what that's asking you is how many weeks do you think this build is going to go for? You can just simply do a takeoff, do a count tool. Let's say I think it's going to go for 40 weeks. I would just say 40, count, and then that's going to automatically calculate items within the estimates tab. I can just go next to show you how that works. So in here, you can see preliminaries. We've got things coming across like Wunderbuild program fees, construction power usage. We've got other products. If I go down further, I might just click edit so it shows up a bit nicer. So I've got other products. We've got admin fees, which is coming across as well. If I close that, we've got site setup costs. So this would be for your temporary toilet. That's also coming through right here. We've got 20 weeks allowed for based on that 40-week allowance, 20 fortnights, sorry. And then going down, we've also got other things like site supervision. We've got skip bins. We've got a range of things that are going to calculate from that simple calculation. And that's how we're building this entire template. Other things that I really want to show off the features of is things that you're going to be using a lot, like your cladding and eaves. We've built a massive list of products and pricing in here so that you can just simply do the square meterage, do the linear meterage of corners and flashings, and then it's going to automatically calculate all your labor costs, all your materials, everything you need for that. And we've got that for Hebel, your foam board, blue board, Axon. We've got Hardy's fine texture, brushed concrete, linear board, prime line. We've got 6mm Hardy Flex, matrix, eaves and external ceilings. We've got window head flashings, your base trims, your cavity battens, and deliveries added in there too. And this is as simple as opening it up, and it's going to calculate everything in there. And I'll show you that with the linear board. I think that's a great example. If we open up this recipe, you'll see that it includes some isolation, carpentry labor for it, the boards themselves, carpentry labor to install those boards, and painting of the weatherboard. So this is going to help you speed up your estimating process, and it's also going to auto categorize them into cost centers so you don't have to think about it on the ordering side too. And here's where it gets even better. Your subscription includes our own trade price list and a live Bunnings price feed with over 4,500 items. Prices are updated regularly, so your estimates will stay competitive and accurate without having to chase up quotes. So all I've done here is create a job out of this estimate. And this is to show you how the cost codes work and how you can track your costs and how it will help you say, this is how much I need to charge my client for each stage. If we go into the CC button here, the cost codes, you can see here we've got it broken down into preliminaries, on-site preliminaries, demolition. We've got base stage broken up a little bit here. We've got your frame stage, lockup stage, fixings and fit off, practical completion, and maintenance and repairs. And what this does is it allows you to say, I'm going to charge this much for this stage of the build, and I have proof that it's actually going to cost me this much, which gets you more cash positive and stops you from having to pay so much out of pocket. With Wunderbuild, you can quote jobs in minutes, create purchase orders effortlessly, and keep your budget under control, all without spending weeks setting up your system. And if you're ready to quote faster, smarter, and stress-free, subscribe today and start estimating like a pro. We make estimating in Wunderbuild simple and easy. Plus, if you sign up to Wunderbuild through one of our links, we'll also provide you with a $200 discount on any of our products or services. Look forward to hearing from you.